Hello everyone, this is the truck driver guy, and today I would like to tell you guys from my own experience how to be uh, a healthy truck driver, or maybe how to stay in shape driving a truck. Well, first of all, when I started driving, I wasn't gaining weight because I was basically having my own food in my truck and uh, wasn't eating out at the truck stops, because at the truck stops they have a lot of fat and greasy foods, and those foods are not good for you. So about last 3 months I decided to try eating out on the truck stops. Well, guess what, guys? I used to be 260 pounds, and I went to up to 300 pounds um, because of those restaurants. And I wasn't eating much. I mean, I just eat regular food that they got: hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and all that junk food. And I gained 40 pounds in 2 months. So my advice for you guys: stay away from truck stop foods. Don't buy those sausages. I mean, it's so nasty. I mean, you really gain weight, and when you gain weight, it's not good on your health. And if it's not good for your health, then you're gonna lose your health, and you're just gonna work for pills. So now, guys, I'm just taking a few months off to lose this weight, because I'm not gonna drive when I'm 300 pounds. 100 pounds overweight of my weight that I'm supposed to be. So guys, yeah, this is the news for you, and again, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my videos. If you have any questions about trucking, let me know. And but again, guys, please watch my videos, and if you have some kind of questions related to my videos, just watch my video, because a lot of you call me, email me, and I mean, I have a lot of emails from you guys. So just, kind of, I don't know, just watch my videos, because there is a lot of information that you're asking me. You're asking me the same questions for information that I already got on my YouTube channel. So please do that. And but if you have any kind of specific question about trucking, I mean, guys, I don't really know anything about European trucking, like trucking in Europe. So I know about trucking in the United States, and I mean, I drove all around United States and Canada. But Canadian trucking companies, I'm not really familiar with them either. I'm more like a US truck driving guy. So if you have any questions about American trucking companies or American truck driving, feel free to ask me any questions you like. Right, guys, stay in shape, and please don't eat on the truck stops, because I mean, you will gain weight so fast, and then you're gonna get in trouble because of a lot of different things. And it's not good to drive a truck when you're overweight, because you're gonna get sick. I mean, it's really bad for you. You can do a lot of research in that, but it's bad when you're fat and driving a truck. Okay, guys, stay tuned, and subscribe to my channel. Drive safe.